everybody, we are at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys some deals. There's actually quite a bit of deals, which I'm pretty excited for. It is getting colder as it gets longer. Like when I woke up this morning it was 17 degrees, now it's like 14. It's crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys some deals. I'm gonna try to do some, there might be some Ibotta deals, but there's some freebies which I am super excited for. So I'm gonna go inside, show you deals, and then I will come back and show you my haul, any problems that I have. So let's go shopping. The L'Oreal Elvive is $4.99. It's actually currently buy one get one 40% off. We have a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus we have a 3 off of 2 printable coupon. There might be a digital, but you end up just getting it for $2.98 or $1.49 each. Here we have the Suave shampoo and conditioner. They're actually on sale for $2, so you can buy 2 of them, pay $4, and then you get a $4 register reward. We also have a digital coupon for $1 off of 3, so you'll end up getting them for $5 to get that $4 register reward. Get 3 of them for $1 or like 33 cents each. We have the Nivea body wash. It's actually on sale 2 for $10, so you're gonna buy 3 of them for $15. We have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon and a $1.50 off of 2 insert coupon. You end up paying just $9.50, but when you purchase 3 of them, you actually get a $5 cash rewards. So you can do that. Your final total comes out to be just $1.50, or comes out to be $4.50 or $1.50 each. So here we have the Bic Soleil razors for $6.49. They're buy one get one 50% off. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Otherwise we do have $4 off of 1 with a limited 2 coupons. So you're going to use those $8 worth of coupons. You'll end up just paying $1.73, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be just $2.26 moneymaker. You'll get these all for free. So here this deal is for the whole month. So we have the Gillette for $3.79 at buy one get one 50% off. You end up paying $5.68, but then you get $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.68. We also have the foamy stuff for $3.29, buy one get one 50% off. Pay $4.93, you get that $4 cash rewards, making them just 93 cents. And then we also have the $2.99 shaving cream for $4.48. You get that $4 cash rewards. Comes out to be just 48 cents for 2 of them. The Palmolive dish soap is on sale for 99 cents this week. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you can use. You'll just get this for 49 cents. Now some of the stores have a 10 ounces and some have a 8 ounces. So make sure if you can get the bigger bottles, go for it. So we have the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. You'll end up just paying $3.98, but when you purchase 2, you get a $4 register reward, making these for free. Now my store also has the $2.99 ones, but my store is currently sold out of all the $2.99 ones. I'm thinking you can use these coupons. It ends up becoming $2. No, you'll end up paying $1.98, but then you get that $4 register reward, making it a $2 moneymaker. But I can't scan them to find out if it's true or not. Here we have the Act Kids Toothpaste for $3.49. You want to use 2 $1.25 off coupons that we got in today's inserts, plus there is a 3 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You'll just get both of these for $1.48 or 74 cents each. So we have the Poise on sale for $5.99, and there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Now it did show that there was a $3 off digital. I've scanned all 3 of these and the $3 off digital does not pop up. But we do have a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from last week. So you guys will end up paying just $2.98. Comes up to be $1.49 each. If you can get that $3 off coupon, if you can find it, it ends up becoming just 99 cents. So here we have the Scott's paper towels and the bath tissue. My store is empty on the shelf. It does say they have some in stock for the paper towels, but they're $5. We actually have a $1 off coupon for the paper towels, and we also have a $1 off digital coupon for the bath tissue. So you'll end up getting those for just $5.50 or $2.75 each. I have so much toilet paper and paper towels I have to pass on this moment. Here we have the General Mills cereal for $1.88. We do have a $1 off a 2 insert coupon. There may be a digital, but you'll get both of them for just $2.76 or $1.38. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So, Walgreens, kind of mad at them right now. So I get to the register and I type in my rewards number and it's not available. And I'm like, okay, well, how do I get the employee discount? So she gave me the employee discount, which I give her props to that. But I was not able to pay with points. I was not able to receive points. So then I'm like, that's okay. You know, it's not her fault. Not her fault at all. I said, I'll just call Walgreens. So I immediately got in the car, called them. They're closed for the weekend, so I have to call them tomorrow. Yeah, I love shopping at Walgreens, but this is the second week in a row where I've had problems. I never got a chance to call them last week, which when I do, I'm gonna say something because this is bullcrap. They were supposed, I heard a rumor that they were supposed to get rid of their Catalina machine. That thing is nothing but problems, and I hear it from every day from all you guys that those machines are a piece of crap. I got all new like employees now, so they don't know like how the whole system works and everything. Like my store has locked up body wash, so I asked the one person on duty, I says, hey, can you give this to me? She's like, well, I gotta bring it up to the registers because people steal it. I'm like, well, I'm not gonna steal it. She's like, yeah, but I understand it, we're supposed to bring it up. And I'm like, that's fine, I'm not gonna argue with you. But every other person has always just handed them to me because I make more of a profit than stealing them. That's just the thing I do. So kind of ticked off at Walgreens, so there's nothing I can do until tomorrow. So I will be calling them probably in the midday because I know a lot of you guys will be calling too. So let me share with you guys my haul so I can give you guys somewhat of what I received. So I ended up getting the Lucky Charms. Every time I get good cereal, my kids steal it from me and they take it. Like this is about 3 breakfasts, like 3 days of cereal for me, and I absolutely love cereal. I think cereal or breakfast food is probably my favorite because I eat it all throughout the day, including pancakes, French toast, all that stuff. So yeah, I have a feeling this will be gone. Both of these boxes will be gone in a couple days. So these were $1.88 on sale. I used a $1 off a 2 insert coupon, paid $2.76. You just get this for $1.38 each if you guys want to go ahead and stock up on some cereal. So got my big giant bag that I throw everything in. Okay, so I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were my store was sold out of the $2.99 ones, so these were $3.99. I used two $2 off insert coupons. You guys would pay $3.98. You're supposed to get a $4 register reward, and it comes out to be for free. My register reward did not print out, so that's $4 that they owe me. So yes, okay. I got 2 different things in each bag. So I ended up doing the Suave deal. Now the Suave deal and the Colgate deal you have to do in separate transactions, and I did that. So these were $2 each. There is a $1 off coupon, but it's for $1 off of 3. So it depends on how you guys want to do this. But you'll get both of these. You'll pay $4 for this, but then you get that $4 register reward making these for free. Again, my register reward did not print out. We got that going on. Then I ended up getting the Poise Pads. Now there was a $3 off digital coupon. Doesn't pop up for me. That's okay. So I got these anyways. So these were $5.99. You want to use that 5 off a 2 insert coupon from last week, or there's a there may be a digital, and there's a printable, and then there is a $2 Walgreens booklet coupon, so it'll take $2 off each one. So you get both of these for just $2.98. It's like $1.49 each. If you need to go ahead and grab that. I usually have people asking for those like crazy, so that's the reason why I did it. This is the body wash they had locked up, if you guys can see my breakdown. So I ended up doing the Nivea body wash. This was 2 for $10, so you got $15. You want to use a 4 off of 2 insert coupon and a $1.50 off of $1.50 insert coupon. I did have a $2 one popped up, and then when I clipped it, it said that it's not available or something, so check that out. But you end up getting these for $9.50. You're supposed to get a $5 cash rewards. These come out to be just $1.50, or I think it's $1.50 each. So if you guys want some Nivea, I don't get Nivea very often, so I wanted to stock up on that. Is this everything in that bag? Okay. I know I have to do giveaways for these bags, you guys. I will be doing it. I'm just waiting until things settle down. So I ended up getting the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. I love this stuff. This is by far my favorite so far. So this is buy one at $4.99 is buy one get one 40% off. You have a 3 off of 2 printable coupon, and then there is a 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. You'll pay just $2.98 or $1.49. I got this because I get it for a little bit cheaper than that, and I just wanted to get it anyways. So yes, I ended up getting the Bic Soleil razors. These were $6.49 at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $4 off insert coupons. You'd pay $1.73. I did get the $4 register reward for the Bic, so we got that. So this ends up becoming just $2.26 moneymaker. So you guys will get those for free. Now I don't know if that deal is the deal where it's with Colgate and Suave. I am not sure if it is that deal, because this one just says Bic. So I don't know what's going on with that. Today is just not my day, really. Okay, so here we got the Act Kids Toothpaste. These were $3.49. You want to use a $1.25 off insert coupons from today's inserts. There are printables, I think. And then a 3 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. You would just get this for $1.48 or 74 cents. Okay. Then I also got the Gillette Shave. So the Gillette Shave was $2.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $4.48. You're supposed to get the $4 cash rewards, making it just 48 cents. So got that. And then I will, this is my last item. If you guys want me to do a follow-up video of what happens, I might even post that just to give you guys a heads up, because I have never had to deal with something like this out of my, when I've been couponing at Walgreens for 7 years, and I've never had to deal with stuff like this. So anyways, the Palmolive is 99 cents. There is a 50% off digital coupon. And you know what? If I couldn't put my rewards in, that means my digital coupon didn't work. And that was the only one that I was using the digital coupon for, right? Yes, thankfully. So I gotta write that down. 50 cents. Coupon. That was the only one that didn't work, but the Walgreens booklet ones worked, so I'm happy about that. So okay, so you get this for just 49 cents, and I love this soap. This is my favorite dish soap. So my total came to $23.73. I did pay that out of cash. I only received that $4 register reward. I still need 2 $4 register rewards, so I will be contacting them to get me $8 of register rewards. I was supposed to receive $9 cash rewards. That is 5 for the Nivea and 4 for the Gillette. And then I also had a spend 20 get 5 deal on my account. Well, obviously I spent over $20 in one transaction, so I should be getting $5 cash rewards. So I got that. So if everything comes out to be okay, it'll be a $2.27 moneymaker for me. So we will see what happens. Otherwise, if they don't help you, I hate to say this, but you could always kind of threaten them. Say, I'll just return everything. That's fine if they won't give you the points, because most likely they will give you the points because they don't want you to return stuff. So I'm like, I'll just return everything. That's not a problem. So that's just how my day is going, you guys. Now I'm gonna head to CVS and see how everything else is. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm here to share with you guys some money saving deals and other things to save you some money. Thanks again for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.